Welcome to Seaside Middle School Planner Organization 101. In this tutorial, Ms. Crossan and I will walk you through some of the goals of organization and some different strategies that you can use in order to help you stay organized in your planner. Some goals of organization are that you can work on planning and prioritizing your schoolwork and social tasks. This is incredibly important during your asynchronous work time. Students who organize can manage their time through prioritizing, goal setting, by developing and using processes, procedures, and tools to study effectively, and it can also help you prepare for courses and participate during instruction. In strategy number 1, Ms. Crossan is going to take you through the steps of organizing your planner and writing down your tasks on the day you will be completing your work.
So one way that you can fill out your planner is by deciding the day you are going to complete the assignment. So what I've done already is I've written down the assignments for social science that I have this week, writing them on the days I'm going to do them. Because I have class on Monday and Thursday, what I made sure to do as my asynchronous time when school ends in the afternoon is to finish that classwork. So on Monday, I wrote finish class notes. And then I also made a note that they are due Thursday. So they're due before I come back to class. So I need to make sure that those are done. On Wednesday, because I have more time that day, only an hour in class and the rest of the day to do work, that's when I decided to put in my vocab dictionary. Since that's 5 words, I can finish it all in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to spend 30 minutes on Wednesday working on it. And I still included the due date. On Thursday, I noticed that we are working in groups. So I'm going to have my group work due, and then I'm also going to need to finish my peer review. So I'm going to do my peer review right after class or in the afternoon, making sure that I turn in my group work so I get credit. And lastly, because in social science, we also have our planner check, I added in the planner check for Friday, but I made a note that I'm going to complete it after all other assignments. So then that way, when I finish filling out my planner and I write down all my assignments, I can check them off as I go, and then it's ready to be turned in.
In strategy number 2, I will be taking you through the steps of writing down all of your tasks in your paper planner on the day your work is assigned. One strategy you can use when filling out your planner is by writing everything down the day that it is due. Make sure that you write down your electives and PE, because those are also classes, but since not everybody has the same elective, you have to fill in the name. Then I color-coded my science assignments in green and my math assignments in purple. So if I was to be writing this down for Monday, I had to finish Explore 1 Reflection. I also have to review for my CER that's going to take place on Thursday. I also have for math finish lesson 8 and 9 post-assessment and complete my quiz corrections. On Tuesday, I've planned that I'm going to visit Ms. Corbishley's office hours for extra help because I needed help on my quiz corrections. I wrote down for Wednesday that I need to complete 2 iReady lessons. I need to pass them in order to get full points. And then on Thursday, I have to finish my CER. I didn't quite finish the assignment, so I left the reminder that I need to do it. And I also need to complete the lesson 10 pre-assessment. One thing you'll notice is that I left little boxes next to each of the tasks that I have to complete, because when I am done with the assignment, I can just go off and check them off. That is how I stay organized in my planner, is by creating little tally boxes and then checking them off. In strategy number 3, I will be walking you through the steps of using your digital planner to organize your tasks by the day your work is assigned. In this example, you can see that I filled out all of my work for math and science. So those are the 2 classes that I teach, so those are what I'm going to go over with you. I wrote the work on the day it is assigned. So I have for Monday, these are my tasks that were assigned to me the day I met with my teacher. This class meets with me on Monday and Thursday. So as you can see for science, they don't have anything assigned on the days that they are not with me. On Tuesday, I also added that I'm going to plan to visit Miss C for office hours for additional. Wednesday, I wrote down our weekly assignments that we do for iReady. I need to complete 2 lessons. And then I have reminders for our pre-assessment, and to finish our CER. This digital planner can be accessed online. Your teachers have the link, or you could always email me and I can send you a link to it. This digital planner is pretty user-friendly. This is the digital planner tool. You can get access to this by emailing your teacher, or you can email me and I can always send you the link. With this tool, it's very easy to use. So some of the buttons will come already on the planner tool. So you can I can preload some blanks and you can change the color and the font however you see fit. But in order to add additional blanks, so I can copy and paste and drag the rectangles wherever they need to go. I can also change the color by going to the paint can, change it to whatever color. Maybe this is my PE work and I know that I need to complete my weekly or complete activity log, which they're due Friday. You may be wondering, where do you find your asynchronous work? We have a few examples of places your teachers may be posting your asynchronous work. One place they may be posting it is in your math agenda or whatever class you're in. Maybe they posted it in your agenda, so you need to go back and look at it. Some teachers may also be posting a copy of our planner and post in the bubbles where you need to be writing your work. For an example, this is my math planner that I show my students at the end of class, and it shows the assignments that they need to complete on the days in which they are assigned. Another place you can look is in your Google Classroom. When you log in and you're in the stream, along the left side, you'll see a bubble that says upcoming. It'll have a list of work that's due and the time at which it is due. As you can see, this example also has upcoming asynchronous assignments. It has the list of the assignments and the dates that they are due. This is a slide that your teacher may show you during class. Here is another example in the upper left-hand corner of how a teacher may write the asynchronous assignments for the entire week. This teacher posts all of their assignments on Monday that are due by Sunday. So you can have the whole list of all your asynchronous work at the beginning of the week. In the bottom right-hand corner is another example of how this teacher uses their asynchronous work reminders. All of the assignments that the students need to do are listed. If you have any questions on where these can be found, you can ask your teacher for where to find your asynchronous work. This is the link to the digital planner. It will be posted and your teachers will have access to it in case you would like to use this digital planner until you get your hard copy planner.